Pretty good. Scroll down. So what I am going to give here, click ISO, the third one. All right. Click ISO. Not able to? Yeah. Click continue. Now it is going to ask you some information. Click hit continue. Let me, you want to put your, or should I put mine? Let me put mine. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you. All right. Oh, little bit more down. Scroll down, 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 and say continue. Say 64-bit. Perfect. Select the language, English. Pretty good. Hit download. So what basically we are downloading? Yeah, click download now. I think download has started. Hold on for a moment. Let me to check if I can scroll down. And check download from here also. Yeah. No, I think download has not started. Hold on, let me hit the download. Is there anything blocking? One second. Oh my God. Maybe it is not finding the email address. Phone number correctly. Hold on for a moment. Let me to remove this one. Is it strange?
Mhm.
It's not downloading. Something is happening, but it's not downloading. Oh, hold on for a moment. Let me to. I think it is also disconnected me. Let me to go back. So it's a PASSWORD 1234. All right. Hmm. And what exactly blocking? It is also not letting me tell. So let me put it here. This particular one. Say that I want to download. Yeah. So it is working fine in Internet Explorer, but not in. So let's wait. It is saying 4 minutes. So what is the first thing we have to do when we try to deploy SharePoint in our company? We first check, does we have Active Directory or not? If you not have an Active Directory, then first thing you have to install or configure is an Active Directory server. Second thing you have to check, does your company, is there any SQL server already running? If yes, you may use that. If not, you may have to install that. We are exactly doing the same thing. We do not have Active Directory. So first we install and configure Active Directory. We have no SQL server. So we are going to install SQL server. When both the prerequisite met, then only we can proceed to install our SharePoint. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. So that's all the installation. All right, it looks that it has been installed. So do one thing, go back to the server manager. Thank you. Go back to server manager.
I don't know how to get there.
Yeah, it's the taskbar. Oh. Yeah, here, go to dashboard, and we have to install some prerequisite which is required by SQL Server. Click add role and a feature. Add role and feature. Yes. Click next, 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 next. Yeah, hold on. So what SQL Server require? It require .NET Framework 3.5, which is the first one. Expand this one. Yeah, click the first one, which is .NET Framework 3.5. All perfect. Go ahead and say next. And say install. Wait till the time installation complete. You can create free account in Azure after the training if you want to do a practice. It's a free, does not charge you for a 1 month. Perfect. Installed, we close. All right. Now go to your download folder. Click the folder in a taskbar. Yeah. Click that one. Yeah, very good. Just double click this ISO file, SQL Server. All right. Click setup now. Very good. Just double click, it will launch. I think something is happening. Just wait for a second. Yeah, it's launching. So we are going to install SQL Server, and which version? 2014, because our SharePoint is 2016. Yeah, it's running in a background. Just minimize that folder. So you should get a wizard, or maybe you can directly click on the background where you see a SQL server running. Just close this one. We don't need that. Just close this server manager. You have a right hand side top cross button. Not able to look at. Hold on. Let me to close this one. Yeah, this is what exactly you are seeing is a SQL server. 1 second. Let me to bring this one also in the middle for you. All right. This is a SQL server. Perfect. Now here on the left hand side, you see there's something called installation. Yeah. Pretty good. Click the first option, new SQL server, a standalone installation. Very good. Just wait. It is going to launch installation wizard for you. Very good. Just say that I want to evaluate. It is going to give you 180 days of service. Go ahead, say next. Say I accept the license term. Check the first box. One minute. Yeah. Go ahead and say next. It is going to check, is there any problem with my server? Say nothing you have, all perfect. Go ahead and say next. It is going to scan. Is there anything, any problem in your setup file? He said, no problem. Everything is green, 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 except Windows Firewall, where we have opened everything. I say, that's all right. Go ahead and say next. Perfect, fine. So say next. Now select here the first one, which is called database engine service, the very first one. All right. And then below, select client tool connectivity. Scroll down, and then you get one more option. Scroll down, and then you get a more option, which is called management tool. So click management tool. All right, you done that part. Go ahead and say next. Very good. Say next. The name of my server will be MS SQL server. That's fine. All right. So here, select SP admin in account name. Just drop down in account name in the very first on account name. Yes, drop down. Click browse. All right, just type here SP admin. Click check name. Click OK. Do the same thing for two other services, database engine and agent. All right. In a SQL browser, make the service which is a disable, make it to manual. In a startup time, it's a disable, make it to manual. All perfect. Now, leave this one as it is. Go back in a password and type the password in both the boxes. On top, yeah. This is password 1234 P capital. Oh, just a sec. I think you have to type it. Type it. Good. Next. Click add current user. Yeah. So next. So install. All right. So this is the last step where we are installing SQL Server. And once this installation complete, we are going to install SharePoint. So you're working from home, Monique, or you are in office?
From home.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I'm in my office. I will go in your lunchtime to my home.
How late is it over there?
It's almost 9:30
Wow.
evening.
You have to drive home?
Yeah, I have to drive home, so it takes around 30 minutes. So till the time your lunchtime complete, I will be at home.
Ah, okay.
Now, after it's a whole year when you sit at home, when you go to office, it's a refreshing, right?
Hmm. So were you fully remote at like the beginning?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Nowadays, everything on cloud, Monique, right? Most
Yeah.
of the servers. So we can take remote from anywhere. But that is the advantage we have now. But 4 5 years
That's good.
back, it is very difficult, right? Because you have to go to office to do any small thing.
Right.
Only problem in a lockdown that you cannot control your kids. They are not going to listen. You have to be at home and all. No vaccine are also available for kids, right? As of now, no vaccine for them.
They can't get it or you don't want them to?
Oh, okay.
What?
In India, we have a two vaccine, okay? But
You have
none
two
of the
different ones?
vaccine, yeah, we have a two vaccine in India. I think in USA you have a Pfizer vaccine, right? P Pfizer.
Yep. We have that one. I think we have two other ones too. I don't know what they're called.
Yeah, exactly. You have three exactly. One is
Hmm.
now available. Two, I think that they are